Hari itu 14 hari bulan 12, hari 3, Chilen 12 minggu, minggu ke-10, Sesais, lengan ke1.Home.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen somewhere, can't believe. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I'll make mistakes, my mistakes make you strong. Let's make it time for a minute, all the crowd will get it. Give me time and I'm moving, just try to see nothing great. It's like, it's all that it's in, this is just a beginning. I'm closing in and I get it, there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, bringing pride, that's a thing. Every night, got a dream, I've been tied to the stream. I can stay chill, think, okay, it's a dream, can't pray, that's a team, up there, really good. If I want to go away, head down, not a break. If I start feeling it, if I play, can't win. I just stand, I stay, that's a damn cold minute. I stay, I stay, I'm ashamed, I get it. To see your mind, to see your mind, they're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. Silence all days, as I see us making moves. Do what I want, so I gotta improve. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, I'm not soaking. It's not to notice, you're not emotion. There's no motion, you're not just chosen. It takes a potion, you take a potion. Better stop, baby, don't try to fuck. Try to do it better, you got one right to fuck. Cause it gets up, cause you gotta wind it up. You finally get it up, you ready, take it up, put your hand out. Don't let it stand out, tell me to advance out. Ready to expand out, you don't got a chance out. Cause you're in the man now, you keep back a plan out. Get in, man now. To see the mind, to see the mind. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. You're not gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a little people say stuff. You think you're different and you're thinking you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable. You're responsible. Do the obstacles. You gotta stop and go. You gotta take it slow. You can't be your phone. You got no more. Look over you and tell me what to do. I'm gonna take it, it's a problem. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. So figure out what you're talking to. Cause all these amazing knowledge, they come in and they say, your vision, when you get this, that shit is all fixing. It's all about your time. You're trying to take it. It's the way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. First, you just gotta take that. You can take it all back. Don't tell me you don't need that. First, you just gotta take that. Oh, really fucking bite back. Like that. You're just gonna take that. Oh, really fucking bite that. Oh, really fucking bite that. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, gotta keep myself in check. Keep my head staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my best to move along. Push myself to be the best, start with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I have so many dreams, maybe it's your dreams. Like they really wanna see you try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put it on so it's my only best thing. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do this what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'll show you what I've done. If you want it bad, I'll show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working it up until I get just what I want. Just like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot it, I'm gonna shoot it till I want. Let's do it on, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put it on the stars, I'm the best thing. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do this what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Everybody knows I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I'm faking now. Everybody knows I'm taking now. Just chasing now. I'm chasing now. I don't wanna be alone. I don't really gotta be home. On my own. It is hard. That's the only way I know. Feeling low. That's a back up. I gotta let the doubt creep in. Shout out to the people that's me. I don't think I'll let you in. Easier to break it off. That's me. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand me. I don't wanna be the thorn in the shop. Put it in the end. I'm feeling so good. Outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone. I'm alright. She's got some nice long hair, and you know she's a magic. Going for a split, can't help it to have it. Knows that she wears short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her up and down on the mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Feeling so around, say her body's fantastic. All natural, not a piece of girl's plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a match. Yeah, the whisper she's a fancy. She has a reputation, so I believe it till I see it. So I want a demonstration, and I'm hoping for you better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session, if you get what I'm saying. They say that she's not easy, but she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me self-excited. And I'm not the type of weirdo that I've never hesitated, but she's not the kind of brain, so the game I'm gonna play, yeah. You got a body like a coffin, it's a body your way. Got me feeling lonely. I want the body that show me. She got a body like a coffin. She got to keep the body going. It's got me feeling lonely. I want the body that show me. heard you pick up your boyfriend. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you hang with your girlfriend. Cause all because of you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. But she came from nobody really knows. They say she was young, they say she acts old. But everything I've heard, she gets out of control. Now they say she was out from the heavens. But I'm too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes, they don't catch you like a weapon. She's something I'm lying like a bad but says she got bad intentions. She got a body like a dolphin. Keep it right going. Got me getting away. I want that body that show me. She got a body like a dolphin. She likes to keep it right going. Body that show me. Mine say, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. I haven't made it already, still working, I'm still learning. I'm still searching, got me learning something very dirty, something called a profit. I hear you talking shit, don't you got it. You popping out the nature, that's dropping on shit. Yeah, promises, I got promises. We tapping this, cross my shit, but we nothing, I just ditch. That's the consequence, I got this. I will not quit, I'm on it. So launch with it, I'm on it. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line. Moving up in the house with my 9 to 5, I'm rocking. They watching, it's a shocking, dropping. I stop dance, I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live. I wish I could slow it, time to just enjoy the ride. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna get it, bro. I swear to God, bro. And I ain't never giving up. Shit, I never give up. I got this and I got it. I will work when I'm on it. Never walk it. Never cross it. Never it. Big logic. Big logic. All these damn fuckers. Never cross it. Swap it. I'm on it. Not purpose. Watch it. Motherfucking the purpose. Watch it. Big logic. Watch it. Big run it. I think I'm motherfucking cross it. Back, back, back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Come back to the back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Get it back. Go we back. Go we back. Get it back. Go we back. Go we back. Go we back. Go we back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Both ways. I can't. I'm a rock. I feel a lot of the rock. I'm rock. I'm getting out. I'm like it. Shows how it goes, I don't know, but I'm ready till I'm chose. When I hear you, I don't always people wanna know what you feel then, baby. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? I say, one to 10, what you crave me? On social media, it's got me going crazy, lately. Everything's invaded, maybe. Everyone's invaded. I see it's naked, I really hate it, I really hate it. I just wanna make it, do all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real time. Talk about the real time, passion in real rhymes. Real time back, remind me about thinking back on my life. I just wanna feel right. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. And I ain't never gonna go. I never give up, make it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from me. When you twice, no trace. I'm the passion, it's when it happens. Actions and actions, correction and happiness. Action, I'm blazing my madness. Facing the madness. I'm out there, direction. I'm pointing the direction. I'm snapping, no action. Attracting reaction. I'm tapping, attacking. Come hands in the action. I'm practicing habits. I'm fucking acting. I'm fucking habits. I can never stand it. Action, reaction, it's madness. That's like planning to happen. So I'm gonna after it. I'm staying after it. I'm a fucking after it. Put them on bracket. Never bracket. Don't be so dramatic. I'm not gonna crack it. This shit's gonna crack it. They're going back damage.
The most important thing to do first thing in the morning is get yourself in a powerful state. If you're in a great mood, you will produce great results. You will have a great day. The better your attitude, the better the results you produce. The better your attitude, the better you can handle, overcome, and thrive through challenges and difficulties that come your way. So get yourself in a great mood. Do whatever it takes to get that feeling first thing in the morning. Whatever works for you, meditation, reading, gratitude, music, exercise. These are all good options that get you in state. When your mind is positive and clear, you can handle just about anything, can't you? And when you can face challenges with a clear mind, they lose their power. They no longer halt your progress. They no longer have a strangle over your day or your life. You simply choose the best way to move forward and move on. Most people don't start their day like this. Most people aren't happy. Don't be most people. Be the minority who start their day with positive expectations. Look at yourself in the mirror and repeat to yourself, today is going to be a great day. No matter what happens, today I will see the good. No matter what happens, I will do the right thing. No matter what happens, I will give my all today. Today I will give my best, so tomorrow will be better.
So like being bad is torture. People like it's been days and days and days and days. I'm normal with it. I'm up under the sheets. What do you have in there? You in there?
Say thank you for grace. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for parents. Thank you for love. Thank you for kindness. Thank you for humility. Thank you for peace. Thank you for prosperity. Say thank you in advance for what's already yours. The most selfish thing you can do in this world is help someone else. Why is it selfish? Because the gratification, the goodness that comes to you, good feeling from helping others. Nothing's better than that.
And I ask you, what do you want? For the days you don't feel like getting up out of bed, the days you feel like quitting, give it up and give it in. Listen to me, the only thing that's going to get you up out that bed, the only thing that's going to make you strive past that obstacle, get past that brick wall, the only thing that's going to make you get up and do what you're supposed to do is what you see. When you wake up in the morning, look at your goal will tell you what time to get up. Are you hearing me?
Don't be afraid of missing out. Be afraid of being in the exact same place that you are now. 1 year from today, 5 years from today, 10 years from today.
struggling to pay the bills, struggling for energy, struggling to find that passion in your life.
Visualize what you are going to do today to get more out of your life. Do it every day. And every day, you will love the life you have created for yourself.
You know when you are guilty of wasting time and laying in bed and you're being lazy. You know it. Whether that was at 7 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning, you know it. You have to start the cycle of waking up early by waking up early.
Success is not convenient. You have to do what is required to accommodate success.
Holding the line, maintaining the standard, giving no slack, none. That's the discipline.
There are opportunities that are going to come your way, and there might be some other things going on. You have to make a choice. You have to ask yourself the question,
What do you want? Because if you don't know what you want, nothing else matters.
how am I about to use my time? Is it positive? Is it purposeful? Is it leading in the direction of where I'm going and the meaning of my life? Is it productive? And is it profitable?
When you know what you want, Iban, you make up because I know what I want.
One thing that discipline definitely does help you with is it helps you get things done. And when you get things done, when you actually do things, you have more success.
I wake up, boom, and I go pursue it. And if you're going to really be successful in life, you're going to have it. And you're going to be able to do it. I need to take personal responsibility. I want you to say, the reason I'm not as amazing yet because I hit the snooze button. That's why I'm not amazing right now.
A big part of success is just not being lazy, just doing it. It's like 90% of it is just showing up.
The reason why I'm not amazing right now is because I couldn't get up early enough because I told myself I'm not early person.
Get there and start working. Like, you're not gonna feel perfect every day. If I worked out and I felt good, I'd get fat.
I'm not amazing because I was supposed to make excuses and make adjustments. That's why I'm not amazing.
Because there's a lot of days I want to do it. This is pretty much the same with everybody that actually gets good at something.
I want you to do this way. I want you to talk about this person do that. That person didn't do this. This thing I didn't have that. I didn't go up here. I didn't get this and that. I didn't get kill it. Kill it.
There's gotta be those days you push through.
Are you hearing what I'm saying? Why haven't you reached amazing yet? Just keep it 100. I'm not amazing because I'm lazy. Just look at yourself in the face and be honest. I'm not amazing because I don't spend no money on shoes. I don't spend no money on stuff to make a sacrifice in a book or a fly. I'm not amazing because I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing to be amazing.
And getting up early is not only an incredible competitive advantage because most of your competitors are asleep, but getting up early is a great gift to yourself. You get more life.
I was saying I'm like the most lazy, disciplined person I know because I don't want to do it. Yeah, but I always do.
You want to be an artist? You want to be an engineer? I don't know. I want you to start the year off. When I talk about faith training, just writing all down. I'm talking about doing what you want because you know what you want. That's where the drive comes from. That's where the passion comes from. When the thing is done, when the discipline has been implemented, remember what that feels like, and then remember that those minutes and the hours that you're weeks and months and years and holding the line in those critical minutes will put you in an infinitely better place, physically and mentally, if you maintain your discipline. I don't have a morning team game. I feel out of sorts. So I think it's true for everybody. That morning gotta win. That starts everything else. That discipline routines. About the rest of the day. Take some minutes and feel okay. Be small. Because people build trust. They're meant to build trust. Those gloomy, bad, dark days. Trust that those are going to be there. Honor the difficult. When we honor the struggles and hate the struggle, we can really achieve extraordinary things because our mindset's in the right place.
Now, the first night you got hard time, go to sleep. What you do the next morning, you wake up early anyways. That first night you only got 5 hours worth of sleep, and now you're tired throughout the day. Good. Because then when you get to bed that night, you don't turn on that computer, you'll be able to go to bed early like you wanted to.
You can go about 6 hours sleep. So you have 18 hours. You have 18 hours. I want to know what you're doing for 18 hours. If you can work your 9 to 5, that's fine. And you can travel for an hour here and there. Respect. There's no solid here. Oh, you want to get there again? Mazel tov. You can spend 2 hours with your kids. What do you do with those 5 hours? You're watching House of Cards. You're playing Madden. You're relaxing from the other intense Gary. I only spent 11 hours. Well, great. Then don't complain or want more. Respect that by getting the rest and this and that, you will give up opportunity to go into the world. You want the audacity to have a 1% rate. That's what all it is. You want to live as well as the 1 to 2% in the world. It's not very complicated, but that is very wrong. Like, if you want to have one of the best lives in the world, which is one with terms, you have to pay your dues to get there. And you're lucky enough to figure out that you have talent in the thing that you actually want to do. Because you can work 24 hours a day and you stink at golf, or you're not a good content producer, or you're really good at your eye then you're going to lose. So that's what happens.
The most important thing you can do is win the morning. Just win the morning. It is not easy, but it is worth it.
Find out what you want to go and do and go after it. Because so many years go by and you look back and you're like, what have I actually done? And the whole time, because you haven't been living your life in line with your personal values, you've been living someone else's life. Don't freaking do that to yourself, it's insane. You want to get to where you want to be, only you. Not what someone else thinks, not what the magazines think, not what Instagram tells you. Stop comparing your life to other people. Stop living in a daily world of comparison. You're comparing yourself to other people and you're putting yourself down, you're lowering your self-worth. You're enough. You've already got exactly what you need inside of you. All you need to do is develop yourself, start to step into your fears, and allow these things to come out and you'll be firing. You'll be going straight for your goals, you'll be going straight for your dreams, and then you'll be able to look back and go, I'm so glad that I was brave enough and had the courage to step into my fears. Because there would be nothing worse than to get to an older age and look back on my life and know that I didn't go and do something because I was afraid. Because I was afraid of other people's opinions. It doesn't matter what other people think. The only thing that matters is what you want. What are your personal values? What are your dreams? What impact do you have on the world? If you can line up your personal values, create a mission statement that can actually have an impact on the world, you'll be drawn into it. You don't need to motivate yourself. You don't need to copy other people's quotes and other people's sayings and post them up on Facebook and Instagram. You'll be coming up with your own quotes. You'll be coming up with your own sayings because you're pulled into it. You're living a life in line with your personal values and your mission statements having an impact on the world. This is coming from inside of you, not from someone else. It's the only way. The best person you'll ever be is yourself. That's it, no one else. You're you. It doesn't matter if you're strange. It doesn't matter if you're different. It doesn't matter if you don't fit in with other people. Be you. If people like you, if people love you for who you are, they'll hang out with you. Forget the cool kids. Forget trying to fit in with other people. Forget trying to do things that other people want you to do. If you start chasing after your dreams, make no mistake, there's going to be people around you. There's even going to be people close to you that's going to try and bring you down because it doesn't line up with what they want. Forget it. Go after what you want. It doesn't mean they're trying to sabotage your efforts for success. It just means they don't want to be left behind. It just means they don't want to be left alone. They don't want to be left on their level. Just because they don't have the courage to step inside their fears and see what's on the other side. This is where the growth is. You find out your fears, you step into them, you get on the other side, and things continue to open up for you. Where I started was, I knew there was a few things standing in my way from where I was now to where I wanted to be in the future. So what I done, I wrote down my top 3 fears, because my main fear was that I knew if I couldn't step into a fear that was a little bit smaller, then there was no way that I could build the courage and be brave enough to step into number 1. So I created a methodical, systematic approach in order to start to step into my fears, and it's identifying your top 3 fears. What's number 1, what's number 2, and what's number 3. Number 1 being most scariest, number 2, and then number 3 the least scariest. Now don't get me wrong, number 3 is going to be freaking scary. But once you put some things in place, once you start to step into that number 3 fear, and you come out on the other side of it, you build the confidence. By default, your self-confidence and your self-worth